Are you looking for the best fishing lures? Fishing has evolved into a beloved pastime and serious sport, driving demand for high-quality lures that attract a variety of fish species. Whether you're a casual angler or a seasoned pro, selecting the right lure can significantly improve your catch rate. This guide reviews top fishing lures based on design innovation, action in water, durability.
Product number 1. Narcissus 6PCS Trolling Lures Kit Saltwater 6.5-inch offshore big game fishing lures. The Narcissus 6PCS Trolling Lures Kit is designed for serious offshore anglers targeting big game fish. Each 6.5-inch lure features a realistic finish and aerodynamic design to mimic baitfish movements effectively in saltwater conditions. Its sturdy construction withstands the harsh marine environment, making it ideal for trolling or casting. The kit includes multiple colors to match different water conditions and fish preferences, enhancing versatility. If you're after aggressive fish like tuna or marlin, these lures deliver strong action and durability at an attractive price point.
Product number 2. Truesend Easy Catch Swim Max. Magic, noisy, turbulent wiggling, and vibrating actions for more bites. The Truesend Easy Catch Swim Max stands out with its distinctive noisy and turbulent action that mimics struggling prey, enticing more bites from cautious fish. Its wiggling and vibrating motions create an irresistible stimulus in the water, increasing chances of hooking a catch. This lure is crafted with quality materials to endure repetitive strikes and underwater obstacles. Perfect for freshwater and saltwater environments, SwimMax is favored by anglers looking to provoke aggressive strikes with a lure that offers lively, erratic movement.
Product number 3. Truesend Easy Catch Pre-Rigged Soft Lures. Unique vibrating swim action and trembly sinking move for more bites. Truesend's pre-rigged soft lures combine convenience with performance, featuring a pre-attached hook ready for immediate use. Their unique vibrating swim action, coupled with a trembly sinking motion, mimics real baitfish behavior, attracting a wide range of predatory fish. These lures excel in both still and moving waters, making them versatile for lake, river, or saltwater fishing. Anglers appreciate the softness and lifelike texture that increases the chance of a firm bite and better hook set.
Product number 4. Truesend Easy Catch Pre-Rigged Soft Lures. Unique vibrating swim action and trembly sinking move. This variant of the Truesend Easy Catch soft lures shares the same exceptional vibrating swim and trembly sinking action, making it a go-to option for dynamic fishing situations. The pre-rigged design saves time, allowing anglers to focus more on fishing and less on setup. Its flexible, soft material offers a natural feel that can fool even the wariest fish. Whether targeting bass, trout, or other freshwater species, this lure delivers consistent results with its enticing movements and durability.
Product number 5. Fishing Lures Kit for Freshwater Bait Tackle Kit for bass, trout, salmon fishing accessories tackle. This all-in-one fishing lures kit is perfect for freshwater anglers seeking a versatile bait collection for species like bass, trout, and salmon. It includes a variety of lure types and sizes, covering different fishing styles and conditions. From spinners to soft plastics, the kit offers great value and variety, making it ideal for beginners or those who want to experiment. The quality is impressive for the price, with durable hooks and realistic finishes designed to attract multiple freshwater species effectively.